Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, valued partners, good afternoon. Abu Dhabi Finance Week brings together leaders from across the global financial sector. It's the platform where we discuss the changes shaping our industry and identify opportunities for Abu Dhabi and for our partners. Today, Abu Dhabi is recognized as the capital of capital. We have strong sovereign institutions, a clear regulatory environment, and increasing interest from global firms. This is why Abu Dhabi has established the fintech, insurance, digital, and alternative asset clusters, FIDA. The number shows the scale of the global opportunity. The fintech market is expected to reach $3.57 trillion by 2032. The reinsurance market is projected to reach $1.14 trillion, and the global alternative assets may reach $32.3 trillion by 2030. FIDA brings together several financial domains under one structure: fintech and digital assets, insurance and reinsurance, saving portabilities, ESG and transition finance, and SME financing. Together, these areas reinforce, protect, and accelerate Abu Dhabi's long-term economic agenda. By 2045, FIDA is expected to deliver measurable results: 15.25 billion in direct GDP contribution, 8,000 highly skilled jobs, and at least 4.63 billion in investments anchored in Abu Dhabi. These outcomes mean SMEs gain better access to capital. Families are able to move their retirement safely and securely. And entrepreneurs start and scale their businesses in Abu Dhabi. We are already seeing positive momentum. Digital asset firms have chosen Abu Dhabi because of clear regulation. Asset managers, insurers, and reinsurers are establishing long-term operations in Abu Dhabi. Talent remains a key priority. In partnerships with ADGM Academy, the Emirate Institute of Finance, and leading universities, FIDA is developing programs in fintech engineering, asset and wealth management, quantitative finance, and ESG advisory. These are skills that the global market needs, and Abu Dhabi is committing to building them locally. Looking ahead, we want Abu Dhabi to be a place where firms can grow with the speed and confidence. To investors, founders, regulators, and policymakers, FIDA is a platform built for collaboration and growth. We invite you to work with us to develop financial solutions that create impact from Abu Dhabi to the rest of the world. Thank you.